In other health news, although tuberculosis is considered a rare disease, the number of confirmed cases in Texas has been nearly twice the national rate in recent years. Sunrise reporter Roland Rodriguez joins us live from Doctors Regional Hospital. And Roland, I imagine this is raising more than just a few eyebrows.
Good morning, Mike, and good morning, South Texas. You are right, Mike. As you mentioned, this is a very rare disease, but this airborne infection can be transferred or get spread by coughing, and it can be very fatal if it's not treated. Cases continue to occur in the United States with more than 9,000 patients diagnosed annually.
It's a bacterial infection primarily of the lungs, but it can really infect almost any organ in the body.
Once the bacteria goes into your lungs, it usually hides there dormant for years and years.
Tuberculosis is scary, but it is treatable. We can treat it with a course of antibiotics. That can be a very extended course of antibiotics, longer than other diseases, but tuberculosis itself is treatable.
Tuberculosis bacteria is spreading through the air from a person who has it in their lungs or throat, who coughs, speaks, or sings, according to the Federal Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. It's not spread from saliva, touching someone's hand, or sharing food and drinks.
The signs and symptoms are night sweats, cough that lasts longer than 3 or 4 weeks, blood being coughed up, weight loss over several weeks to months. If you're exposed to tuberculosis or travel to an area like Mexico, South America, Asia, India, you should, and have symptoms like I just described, or if you're exposed to somebody with tuberculosis and have those kind of symptoms, you should definitely come in and see your doctor.
Texas is one of 3 states with the highest number of TB cases nationwide.
If we think you have active tuberculosis, the best test actually is to test your sputum, or the stuff you're coughing up. And we send that off to the lab and they look at it under a microscope and try and identify the bacteria.
And last year, there are more than 1,000 cases here in Texas. If you'd like more information on TB, all you have to do is visit our website at kristv.com.